Mi hija Tahovatame Natwanyene Monica Zavala. Hello, good day. My name is Monica Zavala. I am Tongva Gabrielino and Hachiman, as well as Mexican. I am from Riverside County, but my homelands are of those in Los Angeles County and Orange County. I want to be seen as someone who can be able to be a mentor, just like how I've been mentored through this whole art journey that I've had. I've been mentored by a professor here on campus, Dr. Eric Tipiconic. After I got my associate's degree from Mount Sinacino, I applied to a number of different campuses, such as Cal State Fullerton and here at Cal State San Marcos. I found that, in the long run, this was a better choice. I am a first generation college student. So being accepted at any campus was a very great accomplishment, not only to me, but to show that my parents did well, for all the sacrifices that they made so that I can have that opportunity to have an education. To get an acceptance letter to anywhere, but more specifically Cal State San Marcos, it was a very joyous moment. My inspirations and motivations were to be the first out of anybody in my family. That's cousins, aunts, uncles. No one in my family has gone to college. My brothers, my sisters, they didn't go to college. So I was the first, and I wanted to prove everybody that I can do it. My exhibit is called All Our Relatives, and it features all the people who are surrounded in my life, who have played significant roles in my culture, all throughout California. What drives me to keep going and doing these paintings is the people that I actually paint. So these people, it's not just random people who I'm painting. It's not just random things that I'm putting in their hands. These are stories of actual people. And the people who see their stories being told through the lens of my paintings, it's a different feeling to see those people when they're excited and they're like, wow, those are my hands.